Hello smart people, welcome back to this Comments class. So in today's video we are going to look at this new powerful AI called the Google Bard AI, which was released this year. So let's go straight and see how it works. Okay, so let's go to Google and search for Google Bard AI. Okay, so let's click on the first link. Okay, so Bard experiments. Okay, so it's showing what Bard can do. Okay, so let's go to try Bard. Let's read, and let's agree. Okay, so Bard is an experiment. Okay, Bard will not always get it right. Okay, so let's go to okay, so we have the Bard AI, which was developed by Google. So we have the Bard activity. This is my first time, so there is no activity there. So there is no activity there, and question updates, and we have the use dark theme. Okay, so I prefer the lights. Okay, so what should we even search? Okay, so let me search this one. When did Ghana gain independence? Okay, let's search. Oh, good. So Ghana gained independence from the United Kingdom on 6th March 1957, which is very true. And by then, Kwame Nkrumah led the independence power, if I'm right. Okay. So now you've seen how Bard AI is also is. Now let's click here. Let's explore. Okay, so what do we have here? Edit. So you can edit. Okay. And what do we have here? We have okay, so it also gives us drafts. So 1, 2. So I think this also a suggestion, 2, 3 suggestions. Okay, so you can also like. Okay, so let's like the response, and I think you liking the response also will improve the algorithm or also learn from us. Okay, so you can also copy. Okay, so let's search another one. Okay, plus let's see the answer. 12. Good, bingo is there. Okay, so let's try this Python code. So write Python program to calculate weight. Wow. It has written a Python program which you can use to calculate weight. So weight formula is mass times gravity, and it has put the formula there. Okay, so let's try another one. Python write an R code to write an output to determine average temperature. Let's see this code. Okay, perfect. So basically average is the same as the mean, so it's calculated. So the temperature dot CSV is the data. Is the data sets. Yeah, data sets. Wow, it even gives example. So the mean, so the average month, this. Let's check. Okay, 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 okay. So that is fine. So we can see from here. I think chats GPT and also Bard AI will be very competitive. So on my next video, we'll look into Chat GPT and also Google Bard AI, because this is my first time looking how the Bard AI works. So I'll take some time to dig through, to comb inside the Bard AI and see their features, because I've seen ChatGPT also doing wild things. I mean, having some plugins to optimize things like the SEO, the search engine optimization, and I also check some for the Bard AI. Because I think there is the beta, the experiment is not fully deployed. They are trying, but I think so far so good. It will help and helps our daily works. Okay, so see you on the next video. Try the Bard AI. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Peace.